I recently bought this key wrap from Campbell Cole, and the main reason I bought this was because I needed a way to organize my keys and at the same time maintain a minimal presence in my pants pocket. I know you have better things to do, so let's get to it. Here is my quick review of the simple key wrap from Campbell Cole. The key wrap is made from Italian veg tan leather. You can purchase it in a variety of color options. It can fit up to 5 keys at a max. It also comes with a stainless steel wire rope that presses and snaps open for easy loading of the keys. So it's pretty simple how it works. First, you open up the key wrap by unbuttoning it. After that, you unhook the wire rope by pressing it and snapping up. Then you put your keys in. If you have bigger items such as a key fob, you should attach it to the outside of the key wrap. Once everything is secured, just reattach the wire rope by pressing it together and snapping it back to lock it again. Now just button it up again, and there you have it, your finished key wrap. Okay, so here are my overall thoughts on the key wrap. The quality of this key wrap is top notch. The leather and stainless steel gives it a very premium touch and finish, as well as a sophisticated look. One of the main benefits of a key wrap is pocket protection, especially if you wear slim or skinny jeans with tight pockets. Not only does this key wrap protect your pants, it also fits easily without much resistance. If you want a premium key wrap with a great look and style, this is the key wrap for you. Just keep in mind you can only carry up to 5 keys, but if you're aiming for that minimal style, that's just a sacrifice you're going to have to make. It pretty much met all my expectations, as well as fulfilling my requirements that I bought it for, so at the end of the day, I'm a happy customer. Whether you get this key wrap or not, it's up to you. I'm just here to inform you from my perspective, the consumer's perspective. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments, and as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm out.